In this video, I'll show you how to draw Clifford from the movie Clifford the Big Red Dog. You'll need a pencil, eraser, black pen, 3 markers, and a sheet of paper. We'll start from sketching simple shapes and lines. Focus on proportions and marking where everything will be. This rough sketch shouldn't look like Clifford yet. These shapes are just our guidelines. Once you get to this point, erase your sketch lightly, making sure we can still see our sketch, and draw Clifford properly. Start from the top and move your way down. Now let's outline our drawing using the black pen. This is the most difficult part in this drawing, so take your time and don't rush when you're drawing Clifford's eyes. And the last step will be to color Clifford with our markers. Let me know if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.